Hey guys, just doing a quick video of the Year 10 Extension Maths practice exam. Normally I do this all in one giant chunk with no edits, but I'm taking care of my son on the weekend, so I might have to stop any time, and I can't afford to do like probably an hour and a half video over and over again because I make one mistake. So I'll break it into parts so that it's recoverable, yeah? So we'll start off. Part 1, indices, surds and logs. Simplify the following. 3 to the x, 9 to the y. I'm aware that 9 is 3 to the power of 2, and that's been raised to the y. And so then you apply the rule on the same base number with powers, and then you're dividing them. It's the powers subtracted, but I need to simplify the brackets at the bottom. 2 times by y is 3 to the 2y. Now I can apply that rule. Same base number, subtract the powers. 3 to the power of x take 2y. 25 to the power of x take 1. 25 is a power of 5. It's 5 to the second. And that's being raised to the power of x take 1. So that is going to be simplified to 5 to the power of 2, lots of x take 1. Expand the brackets, 5 to the 2x take 2. Here, there's multiplications between all of these. I can times 5 by 3, deal with the numbers first, 15. And then c to the 3 and c to the 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 15c to the 7. Times those out, 6. Now I have a to the 1 and a to the 3, so that's going to be a to the 4th and b squared. Next, deal with these numbers first. Not the t. Deal with the numbers first. 24 divided by 2, that's 12 over 2 into 75, 78. It's still divisible by 2. 6 on 35 to 6, 37, 39. Divisible by 3, 2 over 13. So I have 2 over 13. Extend the fraction bar. There's no t's on the bottom, so t to the 6 will remain. R to the 4 divided by r to the 2. 4 take 2 is r to the 2. So 2t to the 6 r squared over 13. This one looks tricky. Deal with it bit by bit. So the left-hand side first. K to the 3rd m4 over. That power of 3 applies to the k squared. So it's going to be k. 2 times 3 is 6. M to the 3rd divided by k to the 2 times 3. K to the 6. M over km5. K to the 3 takes 6. K to the negative 3. M4, M3, M to the 1. K6 over K1. That's going to be K5. M1, M take 5. M to the m to the 1 take negative 4. Dividing, so it's going to be k negative 3 m to the 1 over k5 m to the negative 4. Negative 3 take 5, k to the negative 8. M to the 1 take negative 4 is m to the 1 take negative 4 is 1 plus 4. K negative 8, m to the 5. So m to the 5 on top, k to the 8 on the bottom. Apply the surd power rule. That's going to be x to the surd. The level of surd is what goes on the bottom of the fraction, so on 4, and the power it's raised to x to the 3/4. from this. You've got root A. This is the same as this. And the opposite of squaring something is a square root, so that cancels out the root. So you've got A times by X. You could have that, or just depends on your teacher. You could have this, that probably looks cleaner. This one, I get the impression that there's a certain way that you're expected to do this, but I'm going to do it my way. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and then the root 6 over root 3 remains the same. That's equivalent to 9 times by root 2 times by root 3 over root 3. The root 3's cancel, so it's 9 root 2. Let's do it the way you're probably expecting to do it. 2 root 3 over 2 root 3. Why am I allowed to times by 2 root 3 on 2 root 3? Because that's timesing by 1. So it's going to be 32 times 18, 36. 3 times 6 is root 18 over 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, lots of root 3 times 4 times 3 is 12. 36 divided by 12 is going to be 3 root 18. 18 is cancelable to 3 root 9 times 2. That's 3 times 3 root 2. 3 times 3 is 9 root 2. These are exactly the same. Either way, they're going to work. You can't do a special shortcut for this. You need to use the conjugate of 4 minus root 5, which is 4 plus root 5. You can multiply by 4 plus root 5 over 4 plus root 5, because that's the same as multiplying by 1. So 2 times by 4, 8. 2 times by root 5 plus 2 root 5. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times root 5 is plus 4 root 5. 4 times negative root 5 is negative 4 root 5. Negative root 5 times by root 5 is going to be negative 5. These are going to cancel, so you're going to 8 plus 2 root 5 over 16, take 5, which is 11. That's as far as you can go. Solve the following for x. Base number is 4. Answer is x. It's raised to the power of 2. So 4 squared is equal to x. What is 4 squared? 16 is equal to x. Base number is a third. That looks like a 2 to me. I've raised it to the power of 4 is equal to x. Apply the power to the top and the bottom. 1 to the 4th is 1. 3 to the 4th, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81 equals x. 10 has been raised to the power of 2 is equivalent to 2x plus 1. 10 squared is 100 is equal to 2x plus 1. Opposite of adding 1 is taking 1 from both sides. Opposite of timesing by 2 is dividing by 2. So 99 is over 2 is equal to x. X is going to be 49.5. Is it 49.5? Yeah, 49.5. 4.5 times 2 is 9. It's one of those things where I don't trust myself. 49.5. Log 2, base number is 2. It's been raised to the power of x is equal to 64. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. That is 6. So x must be 6. Base number x to the power of 4 is equal to 81. 3 times by 3, 9 times by 3, 27, times by 3, 81. So x must be 3. Log base 2 to the power of 4 is equal to y on 3, 2 to the 4th, 16, equals y on 3. Opposite of dividing by 3, timesing by 3, so y is equal to 48. Calculate the total area to be carpeted in the bedrooms and living room in the house below. Master bedroom. Area of a rectangle is length times by width, so it is 3 root 3 long times by 2 root 3 short. 6 times by 3, 18 square meters. Beds 1 and 2, don't do them separately because the 2 bedrooms form a rectangle, which is 3 root 5 long by 2 root 3 wide. 6 root 15. And living equals 3 root 5 times by 2 root 3, which is also 6 root 15. Square meters. Total area is 18 plus 6 root 15 plus 6 root 15. As I have 2 6 root 15s, I have 12 root 15s square meters. So that is part 1 done, and my son hasn't awoken, so I will stop the recording and do another one.